China's trade fair season is back. And it's not just the Canton Fair that should be on your radar. Yes, the Canton Fair remains the juggernaut. 200,000 buyers, billions in deals. But savvy business travelers know the real opportunities lie in the months between. From May to October, China plays host to a dizzying array of niche trade fairs, each one a hotbed of innovation, specialization, and deal-making. More than 70 fairs and exhibitions will take place there. Whether you're an e-commerce upstart, a seasoned retailer, or deep in the healthcare supply chain, these events are your gateway to products and partnerships that could change your bottom line. I've combed through the calendar, scrutinized the venues, and selected 10 trade shows that demand your attention. This isn't just about attending, it's about arriving prepared. Your roadmap to smarter sourcing starts now, and in the description below, I have put for you the complete list of these fairs. So go there, download, like, and subscribe to our channel.
China's trade fairs are honestly the world's biggest marketplaces for sourcing products, networking with suppliers, and, spotting the latest trends. The Canton Fair alone draws, get this, 200,000 buyers. But what about the months in between? From May to October, China hosts dozens of specialized fairs, perfect for finding niche products or, hey, beating the Canton Fair rush. Whether you're an e-commerce seller, a retailer, or even in healthcare, these events can totally transform your business. Today, I've actually handpicked 10 must-visit fairs that offer the best opportunities, so you can plan your trip with confidence. Let's jump into the top 10 trade fairs you need to know about, starting with Fair number 1, the Yiwu International Commodities Fair. First up, the Yiwu International Commodities Fair, happening from October 21st to 25th in Yiwu, which is, the world's hub for small commodities. This fair attracts about 200,000 buyers and 3,600 international exhibitors, showcasing everything from toys and gifts to home decor and stationery. It's honestly a goldmine for e-commerce sellers and retailers looking for affordable, high-volume products. And here's a pro tip: book hotels early. Yiwu gets absolutely packed during this week. Fair number 2, the China International Import Expo, or CIIE, runs from November 5th to 10th in Shanghai. Just after the Autumn Canton Fair, it's really too big to ignore. With 400,000 visitors and exhibitors from over 100 countries, CIIE focuses on tech, healthcare, and consumer goods. If you're sourcing cutting-edge electronics or medical devices, this is your spot. Bonus: Shanghai's metro makes getting to the venue a breeze. Fair number 3, Intertextile Shanghai Apparel Fabrics. For fashion and textile folks, don't miss Intertextile Shanghai Apparel Fabrics, held August 27th to 29th in Shanghai. This is one of the world's largest textile trade shows, with 4,000 exhibitors showcasing fabrics, yarns, and garment accessories. Perfect for clothing brands or designers, it's a chance to source sustainable materials and meet top suppliers. Bring comfy shoes. The venue is massive. Fair number 4 is the China International Medical Equipment Fair, or CMEF, happening from October 12th to 15th in Shenzhen. With about 200,000 visitors and 4,000 exhibitors, it's really a global hub for medical devices, imaging equipment, and health tech. If you're in the medical industry, this fair is honestly a must for sourcing or networking. And fun fact, Shenzhen's tech vibe totally makes it a hotspot for innovation. Fair number 5 is Sino Dental 2025, happening June 9th through 12th in Beijing. As China's largest dental trade show, it draws about 100,000 visitors and 800 exhibitors from over 20 countries. You'll find cutting-edge dental equipment, AI-driven diagnostics, and eco-friendly materials there too. So it's perfect for dentists or distributors who are looking to, tap into Asia's booming dental market. Here's a tip. Attend the workshops for the latest industry insights. Fair number 6 is the China South Asia Expo. Looking for something unique? Well, check out the China South Asia Expo in Kunming, usually held in June or July. The dates do vary, so just check the link in the description. This fair focuses on agriculture, food, and trade with South and Southeast Asia, drawing 100,000 visitors. It's really ideal for importers of tea spices or eco-friendly products. Plus, Kunming's mild weather is honestly a nice break from the summer heat. Fair number 7 is the Shanghai International Dental Care Expo, running from November 5th through 7th in Shanghai. You can expect around 50,000 visitors and about 500 exhibitors, all showcasing the latest in dental tech, orthodontics, and digital solutions like 3D printing for prosthetics. It's honestly a great spot for sourcing innovative products and networking with global suppliers. And as a bonus, it actually overlaps with the CIIE, so you can hit 2 fairs in just one trip. Fair number 8 is the China International Industry Fair, or CIIF, which is set for September 16th through 20th in Shanghai. With 180,000 visitors and 2,600 exhibitors, it's a real powerhouse for robotics, automation, and smart manufacturing. If you're sourcing industrial equipment or exploring Industry 4.0 trends, this fair is seriously a game changer. Oh, and don't forget to check the exhibitor list so you can pre-plan your meetings. Fair number 9, Dentech China 2025, is happening from October 23rd to 26th in Shanghai. This pioneering dental fair, which started way back in 1994, attracts about 144,000 visitors and 900 exhibitors, all showcasing implants, invisible orthodontics, and digital dentistry tools. It's honestly a top pick for sourcing high-quality, cost-effective products and, earning those continuing education credits. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to visit the international pavilions for global brands. Fair number 10 is the China International Furniture Fair, or CIF, which runs from September 8th to 11th in Shanghai. With 300,000 visitors and 3,000 exhibitors, it's basically a paradise for home decor and furniture retailers. From modern sofas to office setups, you'll find it all here. Alright, here's a tip. Check the exhibitor list online to target your niche before you go. Quick roundup of others. So, want more options? Well, summer and fall are totally packed with niche fairs. For dental pros, don't miss the FDI World Dental Congress in Shanghai, September 9th through 12th for global networking. Other gems include the China International Hardware Show in Shanghai for tools, the China Beauty Expo in May for cosmetics, or the China International Technology Fair in Shanghai for robotics. I've actually listed all over 70 fairs in our free 2025 trade fair calendar. Grab it in the description. Which fair are you eyeing? Drop it in the comments. Tips for attending China's trade fairs. So before you book your flight, here are 5 quick tips to crush it at China's trade fairs. Alright, so register early. Most fairs offer free online registration. Just check their websites to avoid those long lines. Next up, plan your visa. Apply for a Chinese business visa at least a month in advance. And hey, if you need help, check our guide in the description. Now, book hotels smart. Stay near the venue or metro lines like Line 8 for Guangzhou's Pazhou complex. You should expect to spend about $50 to $150 per night. So, here's the thing. Hiring an interpreter, which usually costs around 400 to 800 RMB a day, can really make your negotiations go a whole lot smoother. This is especially true if you're at specialized events, like dental or tech fairs. So, here's a quick tip. Study exhibitors by downloading the exhibitor lists beforehand. This way, you can prioritize booths that really match your business needs. These tips will honestly save you time and stress, letting you focus on what matters most, sealing those deals. From Yiwu's bargain finds to Shanghai's dental and tech expos, these 10 trade fairs are your ticket to sourcing success in 2025. Don't miss out. Download our free 2025 China Trade Fair calendar in the description to plan your trip. It's packed with dates, locations, and a whole lot more. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more sourcing tips, and hey, let us know in the comments, which fair are you attending?